Rachel McCann. I am the Careers Director here at First Point School. So what the students have really found beneficial is more information about financial literacy, preparing for the future as well with going to university. They found it very beneficial, things that they didn't know about credit cards, the good and the bad debts. So yeah, they found it very, very useful, and they've given us some testimonials as well, which we will be able to share with you too. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kfi Global. I'm in year 12, and I recommend this program to all students around any school in Dubai, because today it helped me realize just how easy it is to get into financial trouble if you really don't know what you're doing. So by attending this program, it really helped me realize just how I can prevent myself from getting into financial trouble and how I can help support my family in the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Alea. This program really helped me because I don't think I was as attentive to my future in terms of money management as I should have been, and I really learned to research more into my future. Thank you, Dubai Islamic Bank.
My name is Darren, I'm 16 years old, and I want to thank Kfi Global for, really opening my eyes today and teaching me about financial literacy. And, as I'm becoming an adult soon and I'm applying to college, it's really opened my eyes and taught me, how to assimilate to the real world and, to sort of prepare myself for what I've faced, for the next few years. And I'd like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for offering me this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Samuel. I'm in year 12, and I'd like to thank the Kfi Global program for helping me understand ways to manage my money and the benefits and drawbacks of using a credit card. And I'd like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank.
Hi, my name is Dimple, and today I attended the KFI program. I found it to be really informative because it provided me financial information on aspects that I had not really considered before. This would be really helpful for others.
Hi, my name is Tate, and today I attended the KFI course, and I got to learn more about my financial situations and how to handle money. I would like to thank Kfi Global course and Dubai Islamic Bank for giving me this opportunity, and I would recommend and suggest other students to grab this opportunity too. Thank you.